Hey everybody, today we're going to solve the sort array by parity problem on LeetCode. The problem definition, we're given an array of non-negative integers, which is important. Return an array consisting of all the even elements of A followed by all the odd elements of A. So, this is what it looks like. They're given 3, 1, 2, 4, and they output 2, 4, 3, 1, all the even followed by all the odd. And then we could also have other outputs. So 4, 2, 3, 1 is fine. Again, all the even and then all the odd. 2, 4, 1, 3, even, then odd. And then 4, 2, 1, 3, even, then odd. Doesn't matter what order they're in. All that matters is all the even numbers come first in the array and they are followed by all the odd numbers. So we're going to implement this using 2 pointers and by maintaining a loop invariant. Talk about that in 1 second. First and last pointer pointed at the beginning and end of the array, and then we're going to loop while first is less than last. So each iteration of this loop, we're going to make sure that everything from the first pointer and before that is even, and then everything from the last pointer and beyond it is odd. Okay, and then they'll just get closer together, and then eventually they'll pass each other, and the entire array will be sorted out. So the first thing we're going to do is if A of first, mod 2 just checks for the remainder after 2, is 1, meaning the element that is being pointed to by the first pointer is odd, and A of last, mod 2, is 0, meaning the element being pointed to by the last pointer is even. So what this means is we have to swap them, okay, because we're keeping the invariant that everything from the first pointer and before it is even, and everything from the last pointer beyond it is odd. So all we gotta do is switch them. Alright. Now, once we've done that, all we have to do is check to see if the element being pointed to by the first pointer is even. If it is, then we can increase the first pointer. That way, everything before the first pointer is still even. And then also check if the element being pointed to by the last pointer is odd. If it is, we can decrement the last pointer, and then everything from the last pointer on is odd. And we've done this in place by modifying the array A. So we'll just return A. Four, 2, 1, 3 looks right. Alright, accepted. So nothing to it, we just maintain the invariant that each time we come through the loop, everything before first is even, everything after last is odd. So if first is odd, last is even, we just switch them. And then once that's done, if the first element is even, then we'll increment it. Last element is odd, we'll decrement it, and we keep that loop invariant going.